Hello everyone, today we will cover how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. First go to virtualbox.com and download the latest version of VirtualBox. The installation process is simple and straightforward. Also go to ubuntu.com, click on download Ubuntu desktop and download the latest version of Ubuntu. Once you're done, open your VirtualBox. Then click on New. In the name, type Ubuntu. Select a destination where VirtualBox will save your files. In the type, select Linux, and the version, select Ubuntu 64-bit. Now click on Next. Here you can select how much memory you wanna allocate to your Ubuntu system. For example, I will give it 4 GB. If you can give it more, then by all means give it more RAM, but just don't go over the green side of the slider, because then you will negatively affect your main operating system. Then click on Next. Now here click on Create a virtual hard disk now to allocate some of your drive space to your Ubuntu virtual machine. If you wanna try the Linux system without saving any files to your system, you can choose do not add a virtual hard disk, but just keep in mind when you close your virtual machine, all the files will be removed from your device. I will keep it on Create a virtual hard disk now, then click on Create. Here keep it on VDI and click on Next. Now here you have two options, dynamically allocated or fixed size. If you put it on fixed size, and for example you give Ubuntu 20 GB, when you reach that size you can't add any more apps or documents. But if you keep it on dynamically allocated, once you reach that limit, VirtualBox will automatically take space from your main drive. So I recommend leaving it on dynamically allocated, then click on Next. Here you can choose how much space to give to your Ubuntu system. I recommend at least 20 GB if you just wanna try Ubuntu, but if you wanna do more, 30 or 40 or even 50 will be better. Then click on Next, then click on Create. Now click on Settings, then click on System, go to Processor. You can choose how many cores to give to your Linux system. I will select 2, then go to Display. Now here I recommend moving the slider until the end and enable 3D acceleration. Then go to Storage, click on Empty, and then click here, click on Choose a disk file. Now select your Ubuntu ISO which we downloaded earlier, then click on OK. To run Ubuntu, first click on Start. Now click on View, then select Scaled Mode. Now click on Install Ubuntu. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Install Now. Then click Continue. Fill your information, then click on Continue. Once the installation is over, click on Restart Now. Log into your account. Now right click, then go to Display Settings and choose your screen resolution. Then click on Apply. Keep changes. Now everything will fit in your screen perfectly. Now you can run and test any piece of software and completely use your Ubuntu system however you like. Once you're done, click on Save State to save your progress. If you don't want to, click on Power Off Machine. And that's it. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, bye.